Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to update payment information on your iPhone iOS 26. For example, if you have recently provided the payment method on your iPhone iOS 26, but if you want to change some payment information or want to update the payment information, so how you can do that? For this, what you have to do, you have to simply watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to make sure that you are connected to a proper Wi-Fi and internet connection. And after that, what you have to do, you have to simply go to settings again, and here you have to go to general. And after that, you have to scroll down until you find the option of transfer or reset iPhone. And here you have to simply click on reset, and you have to reset all of your network settings. And after that, what you have to do, now you have to look for the settings of your iPhone iOS 26. So if you want to change the settings, then you have to look for the settings are here, and after that, what you have to do, you have to click on the name or Apple ID here. So if you want to change the payment information, then there are two methods available. The first one is that you have to simply go to settings, and you have to click on name and Apple ID here, and you have to click on media and purchases, and you have to click on view account. And after that, you have to provide your face ID, and after providing your face ID, you have to provide the verification. So after that, you will find option of manage payments. So here you can simply find all of your payment information. So you can simply edit any kind of payment information if you have provided any. No, so you can provide any payment method if you want to do. So if you check for the another method, which is as that you have to simply go to the App Store, and in the App Store you have to select the option of payment method. So here you have to look for the App Store, and after clicking on the App Store, you have to click on name or Apple ID, and after that, you have to select the payment method, and you can simply change the payment method from the App Store section also. So hope you have liked this video. If you get more videos like this, you can subscribe our channel.